Drawing number 6 is a sweep function. So you're going to start on your origin. We're going to draw this little circle, and then we're going to sweep it through this S shape here. Notice the radius is 0.25, and that's going to be the center line of our sweep. So I'm going to go over to Inventor, and I'm going to start a new standard IPT, and I'm going to start a sketch right on my work plane. And it's important I start right on that origin, and this is going to be your 0.125 diameter circle, and then I'm going to finish my sketch. Now I'm going to go back into a sketch, and I have to select this work plane here, and I'm going to be starting from the origin when I draw. So like right now, the center point of my circle that's running vertical is where I'm going to start from. So I'm going to begin by drawing my line over 2 inches. So I'll do that first line, and then let's look back at the drawing here. So then we have a radius of 0.25, so it'll be a ½ inch over. So let's go ahead and draw those in next. So I will just start with a couple of lines here, and I'll bring that down 0.5, go back 2, go down 0.5 again, and over 2 again. And I'm just lining that up there. Then I'll go back through, I'll use a circle here and drop those in. Make sure I snap the midpoint to end points on those. And then we'll go to trim the bottom of the circle out that we don't need, and I will delete the line that I don't need. And then I'm going to finish my sketch, and we're going to hope that it's all nicely connected. When we go to sweep, it already selected Matt, and then all I have to do is click on the path, and it's going to build that for me. So at this point, I'm going to save it. So again, all caps, save that as sweep. I'm going to go over to my drawing, go down to the sweep page, and I'm going to go to base view, and let's rotate that around a little bit. And that's bringing it in at 1 to 1. Let's rotate it this way, that'll look a little bit nicer, and then we can do our top, right, and our isometric. Right click OK. Remember our isometric, we're going to edit the view, we're going to put the color on, we're going to put a view label on. Again, it's important because it's a different scale that we call this out, and this will be half scale as well. So we'll hit OK on that, and then you can add your dimensions. Now, dimensioning this one, you'll want to dimension to the actual sweep path. So you're going to use some center lines here. I'm going to go to annotate, and I'm going to use the center bisector tool, and I can select, now you don't want the green dot, but I can select these 2 lines or 2 arcs, and I can get the line that goes between those, and that was my actual sweep path. So that's going to be something I want to see on there. Don't forget, you'd want to call out like this little, and I misclicked, I got the green dot. So I want to go in and just get that little circle, bring out that 0.125. I can also add in some center marks. So on my sweep path, when I want to do the 2-inch dimension, I can add those in from center to center. Let me try that again there. We can probably just get this right here, and then we can call out the radius 0.25 of the center line. And that's what is key there. And that one, I'll also call out this one over here. And that's really all we need to dimension on this one.